The oldest woman probably in the world, or in the Philippines at least. Her name is Francisca Susano, 120 years old as of now. Let's come and see her. That's her, 120 years old. Wow. Tagbalay! Wow, kagwapa kay Tiyay.
Hello, Ma.
Hello, Mayong. Ugto.
Oo, sunod na ka mo, sunod na.
Tiyay. Hello, wow. Come.
Sige, sunod na.
Ako ning kalipayan.
That's her happiness. That's her joy. Sang lawig mga kabuhi.
Pwede mo na i-winter. Ano sikreto mo ka? Ano nga utang?
Nga utan dala.
Ano nga utang?
Laswa.
Latwa.
Parehas ang ano?
Ay dahil ko magkaon, dugay na ko tatay.
Cheat.
Ako
Squash.
ginakaon mga gulay.
Squash. Amon on fish. Squash. Ano ba?
May kainom.
Ibang.
May kaunon. Iba di.
Okta.
Ano na. Ginakaon. Ako, lima ko kakita.
Adik ka nakakita la.
Kita.
How long did she live here?
Almost 15 years. This house.
In this
Oh.
house.
And where was she born?
She's living there in Carolan. From here is we need to walk 18 kilometers.
Okay.
Yeah,
In the mountains.
yeah, in the mountain.
Wow.
You know, Bukidnon,
Tribu, tribu Bukidnon ka mo.
Who else lives in the house?
77 years old.
77.
Seventh daughter, 76.
86.
You're 86.
86 akong July 3.
Ikapila ka?
Kalo, buwan.
Ano?
Kamu gid ang sunod.
Number 6, number 7.
Pila ka magutod?
Live in this house here?
14
Live in this house
Yeah.
too?
Pila buhi?
Thank you.
Why she's living until now because of breathing. Diba, buhi pa siya. Ay, dami pa siya because of this. Every morning, like that. Every night, morning and night. Yeah.
Isa way matulog ang tilong gabi.
Diba, exercise siya sa iyong lungs.
Oh, ano, it's long
Ako yung puyo.
exercise and breathing. Yes. Breathe in and breathe out. Kamo, nagasilindron man kamo?
Ay, wala na.
Dilula na.
Pamati kaya kay halos gabi ang mabatyano din ang tilog sa tilong. Isa siya magawgaw, isa siya naman.
Nalitay ako.
Pwede na din mo mga...
Dahil di na ko kadungog.
Pwede na mo siya.
Di na ko makita.
She can't see that much anymore.
Paano, na-prove, na-establish na gid nga
Paano pa siya running? Running for Guinness record.
Running for, so nag-visit.
Nag-gid sila, nag-apply.
Oo. Ang mga taga-Guinness, nagkanto dire.
May nabulig sa amon nga senator dito.
Senator Mitra, Senator helped them? Pero ano niya, mga may papeles siya.
Oo.
May di ba?
Oh, may document.
When we start eating healthy on Monday?
So, nag-process yun. Ang yung nga birth
They're
certificate
Seventh-day
mo
Adventists.
2000, kano sa gato ni mo.
Today, Saturday, they just went home from church.
2008, pero wala
There's
nila
also-
na pa-NS o dayon ba.
Doing her exercise.
Sige!
Wow.
Hawak! Kiay, ngawak!
So that was Lola Francisca, the oldest living woman in the whole world. From Kabankalan City, this is Joan of Arc. See you once again. Bye-bye.
They are passing, and the little boy has no idea how dangerous it is. Yeah, he's just going up. That guy's in no rush to go over. What? Look at. Only in the Philippines. Hey, on a hill, there could be a bus coming. Actually, no, this is our side of the road. I have no idea which side of the road is even our side of the road because lines are not necessarily an indicator.